Okay, hello guys, welcome to the class, right? Yes, welcome all of you. So yesterday we did not have a session, so that I will get rescheduled because of some issues. There was no session yesterday, right? Yes, so today we'll be beginning with the 2D mensuration, right? Yes, so in the next few classes, I'll be taking the concepts of mensuration, number system as well as probability. Mensuration, number system as well as probability. So yes, a bit of promotion here. So you guys know about the Unacademy combat. So the next combat is scheduled. The next combat is scheduled on the next Sunday, that is on the 4th of July, right? On the 4th of July, sorry, 11th of July, you guys will be having the next combat. Use my code SAYT to enroll into the combat. Okay, you guys can see these are the ranks, these are the prizes you guys will be getting. These are the prizes on the subscription you guys will be getting if you crack the combat. Now yes, so if you go forward with the plus subscription, you guys will be getting access to live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, downloading sessions, English and Hindi, and also Arabis. If you go for the iconic plan along with this, and you guys will be getting 4 other eminent benefits, which includes a personal coach, study planner, dedicated doubt clearing instructors, as well as preparatory study material. So going forward, right, you can buy whatever subscription you guys want, right, by using my code SAYT, right, either plus or iconic, where you guys will be getting 10% off on any subscription you buy, right, 10% off on any subscription you buy. Okay, yes. So yes, we finished with all the quant syllabus. Now we are moving with the mensuration syllabus, right? Yes. So I am starting with 2D mensuration, right? I am starting with 2D mensuration in today's class. Okay, yes. What is 2D mensuration? You guys know, right? 2D mensuration consists of all the polygons, right? Yes, polygons, right? Just as hexagon, right? Square, triangle, all these come under 2D, right? 3D you have the sphere, circle, and all. Okay, so 2D mensuration, first we are moving with a polygon, right, which is more predominantly called as a regular polygon in most of your questions, in most of the questions. Okay, a regular polygon. So in these two classes I'll be giving you guys some important formulas and also some types of questions which they might be asking. Okay, yes. So yes, the first one is sum of all internal angles in a polygon, right? How to find out the sum of all internal angles in a polygon? The sum of all internal angles in a polygon is given by the formula 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. The sum of all internal angles in the formula is given by the formula 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, right? 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, right? How will you find out the value of each internal angle? How will you find out the value of each internal angle? Each internal angle is given by the formula 180 degree divided by n, because one internal angle will be equal to 80 degree. So each internal angle, how many internal angles are there? 180 degree by n. You also have something called as the linear angle pair. You also have something called as the linear angle pair. So what is a linear angle pair? Linear angle pair is 180 degrees, right? Yes. So it is nothing but internal angle plus external angle, right? It is internal angle plus external angle. Okay, internal angle plus external angle will always give 180 degree. Yes. So what is the formula for finding out the each external angle? Each external angle is given by the formula 360 degree divided by n, right? Each external angle is given by the formula 360 degree divided by n, and you guys already know, right? 180 degree, which is internal angle plus external angle. In a regular polygon, the internal angle as well as the external angle is equal to 180 degree. The internal angle as well as the external angle is equal to 180 degree. So if I draw a polygon here, okay, yes, so this is a polygon. So let us name this as sides ABC. So you guys can see, so this is nothing but a triangle, right? So this is 60 degree here. Okay, this will be 60 degree here, and this will be 60 degree here. Yes, so this is nothing but a straight line, so this has to be 120 degree, right? And you guys know a straight line is 180 degree, right? Obtuse angle. Yes, so here also this will be 120 degree, and here also this will be 120 degree, and this is what I call it as a linear angle pair. This is what we call it as a linear angle pair. This is what we call it as a linear angle pair. Okay, all internal angles, the sum of all internal angles is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. The sum of all internal angles will be equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Okay, yes. Now moving forward to the next concept. Okay, yes. In a regular polygon, if they ask you to find out the number of diagonals in a regular polygon, right, the number of diagonals is equal to, in a regular polygon, the number of diagonals will be equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Right? In a regular polygon, the number of diagonals will be equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Right? N into n minus 3 by 2 will give me the number of diagonals. Right? They will give me the number of diagonals. What is the area of a regular polygon, people? Right? Yes. Can anyone tell me it? Right? What is going to be the area of a regular polygon? Right, the last concept of a regular polygon. What is going to be the area of a regular polygon? What is the area of a regular polygon? So if I draw a regular polygon, so this is nothing but a hexagon, right? This is nothing but a hexagon, right? And all the sides are equal to each other, yes or no? So this makes an angle of 90 degree and all these sides are A, right? I'm having a total of what? A, right? So area of a regular polygon, right, is nothing but, according to the formula, area of a regular polygon is nothing but half into perimeter, right? Half into perimeter of a polygon into that multiplied into its perpendicular height. Okay, multiplied into its perpendicular height. Okay, area of a regular polygon is half into perimeter of a regular polygon into this, right? So S, right, we are having all the sides as A, all the sides as A. You guys can see here all the sides are A. So what can I call the area as? What can I call the area as? Right, so to reduce the space I will be writing it here only, right? To reduce the space I will be writing it here only. So this is nothing but n by 4. N is nothing but the number of sides, n is nothing but the number of sides, into a square into cot pi divided by n, into cot pi divided by n, where your pi is always going to be 180 degrees. Where your pi is always going to be 180 degrees. Why is it 180 degrees, sir? Because a linear angle pair, right? A linear angle pair always makes an angle of 180 degrees, right? So these were the small concepts. These were the small concepts of when you go with polygon. And next we are moving on with some predominant topic. A predominant topic in your 2D mensuration, which is nothing but a circle, right? Which is nothing but a circle. Okay, yes, right? Okay, in circle, one thing we can say is there can be infinite chords, right? There can be infinite chords on a circle. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? There can be infinite chords on a circle. So I won't take you guys with the basics here, right? What is chord, what is radius, what is diameter, you guys know, right? To be simple here, I can tell. So if I draw a circle, right? So let me take this. CD is what? CD is nothing but the diameter. So here, what will be the radius? OD. So I can also tell my diameter is nothing but twice the radius, right? My diameter is nothing but twice the radius. So if I am drawing a line perpendicular to the dot line, right? This XY. This XY will be what, right, Baba? This XY is nothing but a tangent. This xy is nothing but a tangent. This xy is called as a tangent. Then, right, there can be infinite chords on a circle, yes or no? There can be infinite chords on a circle, yes. Any chord which is meeting like this and this, right? There can be infinite chords on this, right? So if I draw a line, here, so let me take a different color. If I draw a line here, so this line LM, right, this line L here, this line M here, so this LM is called as an intersection line. This LM is called as an intersection line. And what is the theta of a circle? What is the angle of a circle? The angle throughout this circle is 360 degrees. right? The theta angle throughout this circle is 360 degrees. What is the perimeter of a circle? What is the perimeter of a circle, people? Perimeter is also called as the circumference, right? It's also called as the circumference. So what is the circumference here? Okay, so let me just show you guys the circumference in dotted lines. Yes or no? This dotted lines, right? The circle making an impression, the circle making an area. This is what is called as a circumference, which is nothing but 2 into pi into r, right? Which is nothing but 2 pi r, where pi is 30, sorry, where pi is 22 by 7, where pi is 22 by 7. Okay, so this is going to be 2 pi r. This is going to be 2 pi r. So that is what it is. Okay, so yes, I can also find my radius here with a simple one. Perimeter divided by 2 pi will also give me what, people? Will also give me the radius of this circle, right? Will also give me the radius of the circle. Yes, how to find out the circumference here, right? Yes, the surface, the circumference, or the arc of a circle, the surface, the circumference, or the arc of a circle, all these three are nothing but 360 degree. They form the whole circle, right? They form the whole circle, which is 360 degree. Okay, yes. So small concepts on circle here, we'll finish it off here, right? Small concepts on circle, we will finish that off here. Okay, yes. So let's go with this, right? So let us first find out. Okay, if I am drawing a semicircle, okay, yes, so this is what is a semicircle, people. Okay, this doesn't look like a semicircle, it looks like a crescent. Okay, it looks like a crescent. So let me draw it a bit more better, a bit more better. Huh, this is better. Okay, so this is a semicircle, right? So it is half of the previous circle. If the whole circle is 360 degrees, then this circle will be equal to how much? The theta will be equal to 180 degrees, right? 360 degree by 2. So what is going to be the circumference of this circle now? What is going to be the circumference of this circle? The circumference of this circle, listen to me carefully here, listen to me carefully. This circle, the circumference is half of the previous circle, right? The circumference is half of the previous circle. So previous circle, the circumference was 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r, but here this is going to be 2 pi by 2. So what is it going to be? It is going to be pi r, right? It is going to be pi r. But does it finish the whole thing? No, right? You are still having the major part of the circle here, right? What is the major part of the circle? This portion is the major part of the circle. What is this portion? Basically, this is nothing but the diameter. Yes or no? This is nothing but the diameter. So I can also write it as pi r plus d, or else this can also be written as pi r plus 2r, right? So what is going to be the arc of this circle now? What is going to be the arc of this circle? So this is 180 degree. Yes or no? What is going to be the arc of this circle? This circle, this blue line itself is the arc of the circle, right? This blue line is itself the arc of the circle. So a arc of a hemisphere, sorry, an arc of a semicircle, a arc of a semicircle is going to be pi r. What if I restrict this circle to a quadrant? What if I restrict this circle to a quadrant? Yes or no? Yes, this is a quadrant. And what is going to be here? What is going to be this? What is the theta here? Right? What is the theta here? This is half of this, right? My theta is going to be 90 degrees. My theta is going to be 90 degrees. Now tell me, people, what will be the circumference of such a circle? What will be the circumference of such a circle, right? 2 pi r, right? I am dividing this by this, right? So pi r ka by 2, yes or no? So this will be half of what I am getting here, right? So the circumference here will be pi r by 2 plus pi r by 2 plus what? Plus what? Plus इधर भी आएगा क्या? हाँ आएगा, क्योंकि दो रेडियस है मेरे पास. Yes or no? A radius here and a radius there. So this is pi r plus 2, pi r by 2 plus 2r. And what is going to be our arc here? What is going to be our arc here, right? What is going to be our arc? My arc, as I already told, it is 360 degree, right? तो मेरा arc जो है 2 pi r है, पर 2 pi r, but this is not equivalent to 360 degree, right? This is 90 degree by 360 degree. Yes or no? This is 90 degree by 360 degree. तो ये क्या हो रहा है? So this is 2 pi r into 1 by 4, right? So this is going to be pi r by 2. This is going to be pi r by 2. Got it, everyone? This is going to be pi r by 2. And what can I write my circumference as? What can I write my circumference as? Pi r by 2 plus a 2r, right? Pi r by 2 plus 2r, this is going to be your circumference. Yes or no? This is going to be a circumference, which you can also write it as pi r square. Okay, yes. So this is about the circle. Okay, after circle you are only left with rectangles and triangles. So that also will finish it off in 10 minutes, right? That also will finish it off in 10 minutes. And lastly, one more circle, which is nothing but a sector, right? Lastly, one more circle, which is nothing but a pizza slice, which is nothing but a pizza slice, a circle. Okay, please do bear with my diagrams here, because what happens is normally in Unacademy interface we have the stylus works properly, but here the stylus doesn't work properly, right? Okay, yes. So this is going to be 60 degree, right? What is my arc, people? My arc will be what? My arc is again the same thing, 2 pi r into 60 by 360. So this I can write it as 2 pi r into 1 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is pi r by 3. Yes or no? This is going to be pi r by 3. And what will be my circumference here? My circumference 60 degree है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? My arc itself, so this is going to be pi r by 3, और मेरा रेडियस कितना है? दो रेडियस है ना इधर, right? Am I not having two radiuses here? Am I not having two radiuses here? Yes, I am having two radiuses. So add it off. Pi r by 3 plus 2r, right? Pi r by 3 plus 2r. Now finally, after all these things, right, what is going to be the area of a circle? What is going to be the area of a circle? Area of a circle is nothing but pi r square, is nothing but pi r square, given that the theta is 360 degrees, right? Given that the theta is 360 degrees. Okay, pi r square when the theta is 360 degrees. If you have to find out the theta of a circle when the given angle is given, right? So here area क्या होगा जाएगा? 360 degrees हो जाएगा. So this is 360 degrees is equal to pi r square, right? Yes. So 1 degree will be equal to what here? 1 degree will be equal to pi r square by 360. Yes or no? तो अगर मैं थीटा का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करूंगा, so this will be pi r square by 360 degree into theta. Yes or no? Pi r square by 360 degree into theta. That is what we did here, right? For arc it is 2 pi r. For area it is going to be pi r square. For area this is going to be pi r square. So these are the whole concepts of a circle. These are the whole concepts of a circle, right? You can do the same thing, right? You can do the same thing where and all, people. You can do the same thing in all this, right? You can do the same thing in all this here, right? आप जहां भी देखो ये कर सकते हो, right? जहां भी देखो आप ये लोग कर सकते हो, right? 60 डिग्री 30 डिग्री जो भी है, right? अभी सिर्फ सर्कल का एक कॉन्सेप्ट बचा हुआ है. Yes, so relationship between length and arc also you guys know, right? What is the relationship between the length and arc? So we don't have time, to derive the whole thing, so I'll be just giving you guys the concept here, right? So what is the relationship between arc length and area? Okay, arc length and area. Okay, yes. So what is arc length and area? Area, just now we found it out, right? It was pi r square by 360 into theta. What is arc? Arc is basically 360 degree is equal to 2 pi r. Yes or no? That's what we learned now. So 1 degree will be equal to what? 2 pi r divided by 360 degree. 1 degree will be equal to what? 2 pi r divided by 360 degree. So theta will be what? 2 pi r by 360 degree into theta. Okay, yes. So if I take area divided by arc length, if I take area divided by arc length, so this is going to be pi r square 360 by theta. 360 by theta तो निकल जाएगा इधर. Yes or no? Right? 2 pi r and r will get cancelled, pi and pi will get cancelled. So how much I am left with? Right? I am left with r in the ऊपर by 2 नीचे. Right? So this will be r by 2. Yes or no? This is going to be r by 2. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Right? So this is what are the concepts of a circle, right? I thought you guys about sector also. Sector भी हमने कर लिया. Sector भी कितना है वो भी हमने कर लिया. Now we are only left with concentric circles. Yes or no? So there was a question on concentric circles asked in one of the prelims. Right? There was a question on concentric circles asked in one of the prelims. What is a concentric circle, right? Two circles together. So if I have a small circle and a big circle, this is what is called as concentric circle, right? So this will be radius r1, this will be radius r2, this will be radius r1, this will be radius r2. Okay, so what is the area of a concentric circle? What is the area of a concentric circle, right? So yes, area of a concentric circle क्या है, right? जब मैं इसको इसके साथ माइनस कर दूंगा, right? When I minus r1 with r2, that is what I'll be getting the area of this circle. Yes or no? That is where I'll be getting the area of this circle. So this will be equal to what now? This will be equal to what? Pi of r2, right? The greater radius here. What is the greater radius? R2 is the greater radius. Yes or no? Pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Yes, so if I keep pi as common here, so this goes to be r2 square minus r1 square. Yes or no, Baba? This goes to be r2 square minus r1 square. And what is r2 minus r1 here? Can anyone tell me? R2 minus r1 is nothing but the thickness of the circle. R2 minus r1 is nothing but the thickness of the circle. R2 minus r1 is nothing but the thickness of the circle. So here, instead of writing r2 square minus r1 square, you guys clearly know our uh, famous expansion. What is it? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square, Baba? It is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is going to be what here? What is it? It will become pi into r2 plus r1, sorry, okay, into r2 minus r1. Okay, so this is going to be the area of a concentric circle. Now, one more question will arise. One more question will arise in most of the papers. What is that question? How many revolutions? How many revolutions does a circle make? If the distance is going to be 280 kilometers, how many revolutions does the circle make? Okay, so this is going to be the whole distance, right? This is going to be the whole distance. How many revolutions is the circle making here, right? Yes, first of all, so here जब भी ये revolutions का बात आता है तो क्या आ जाता है, right? क्या आपके दिमाग में चिपक जाता है, right? हमेशा ये चिपक जाना चाहिए. ये blue line क्या दिखा रहा हूं मैं? What is this going to be? This is going to be what? This is the circumference of a circle. तो जब ये सर्कल घूमेगा तो एक और सर्कल इधर बनाएगा, राइट? एक और सर्कल इधर बनाएगा, एक और सर्कल इधर बनाएगा. ऐसा नो, दिस सर्कल विल रोटेट. सो इफ आई नेम दिस एज द डिस्टेंस, the distance traveled by the circle is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So if it is having around 8 revolutions, so it is nothing but n into 2 pi r. Right? This will be n into 2 pi r. Yes or no? If it is n into 2 pi r. So if they give you how many distance, what is the distance traveled by the circle, or what is this, right? आप directly अगर number of revolutions दिया गया है तो n into 2 pi r. Pi का value तो हमें पता ही है 22/7. The radius will be given for you. If they give you the number of revolutions and tell you to find out the distance of the circle, right? So this is going to be n is equal to 2d distance divided by 2 pi r. Okay, d divided by 2 pi r. तो इसमें एक और कॉन्सेप्ट का क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील, राइट? तो एक और कॉन्सेप्ट का क्वेश्चन आएगा इधर, तो वो क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील? सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील हियर, राइट? स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील कैसे डिटरमाइन करूंगा? स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील मतलब यही जा रहा है ना, यही घूम रहा है, तो दिस विल बी n into 2 pi r. Yes, but you guys know what is speed first of all. What is speed first of all, people? Speed is nothing but distance बार टाइम. ठीक है, तो टाइम सीधा t हम डायरेक्टली लिख लेंगे इधर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील? द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील इज नथिंग बट n into 2 pi r. Okay, I'll write it again if my handwriting is not legible. Okay, so this is n into 2 pi r divided by t, right? This is going to be n into 2 pi r divided by t. Okay, yes. So these were the concepts of circles. अभी मैं 5 minute बचा है. Okay, we have 5 minutes and I will finish off with the concepts of what? I'll finish off with the concepts of your triangles. Okay, finish off with the concepts of your triangles. तो triangles का पहली बात आप सबको पता है, yes or no? You guys know what is a triangle, right? Yes. What is the area of a triangle? Can anyone tell me? What is going to be the area of a triangle? Right? Area of a triangle is half into base into height. ये सबको पता है, right? Everyone knows the area of a triangle here, right? Half into base into height. So that is what we'll be writing in the first one. Okay, just a minute, guys. Is my audio proper? Just a minute. Okay, I hope so. My audio is proper. Huh? I hope so. My audio is proper. Okay. Yes. Huh. My audio is proper. So yes, let us go with. Okay. Sorry there. Right. Let us go with. I'll be taking only 5 minutes extra here. Right. Okay. Let us go with the area of a triangle. Okay. Let us go with triangles now. After triangles, you'll be just left with squares and rectangles. Okay. That I will be continuing in the next class. Right. Triangles. So what is the area of a triangle, people? Right. It is going to be half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height will give me the area of a triangle. So if I draw a triangle here, okay, if I draw a triangle here, it will also have a perpendicular height. Okay, so this will be the height of this will be the base of a triangle. This will be the base of a triangle. Yes or no? This will be the base of a triangle. How shall you find out the area of a triangle? How shall you find out the area of a triangle when it is circumscribed or something? वो मैं बताते जाऊंगा. वो मैं आगे आगे आराम से बताते जाऊंगा. Okay? Yes. Okay. आगे आगे आराम से बताते जाऊंगा. So when I draw a triangle, okay, so this is going to be the height. Okay, what are these things? What are these things? Can anyone tell me what are these things first of all? So if I write this as A, B, C, and this is going to be D, E, F, right? So this is going to be D, E, F. What are my D, E, F, right? You call in your language it as what? It is nothing but your what? It is nothing but your medians, right? तो इधर भी same formula लगेगा क्या? हाँ, same formula लगेगा. Here also it is half into base into height. Okay, here also it will be half into base into height. Okay, yes. So if I take, right, you guys know that the opposite side will be the side. So A का इधर small a होगा, C का इधर small b होगा और B का इधर small b होगा. Yes or no? So side A का, ठीक है, अगर मैं side A का बात करूंगा तो मेरा height क्या होगा बाबा? What will be the height of side A? Tell me what will be the height of side A? The height of side A will be AD. If I'm talking about the side B here, what will be the height of this? If I'm talking about side B here, what will be the height of this? First of all, B का B ही होगा ना, right? B का BE होगा. और साइड C क्या होगा? साइड C का हाइट क्या होगा? साइड C का हाइट हो जाएगा CF. साइड C का हाइट हो जाएगा CF. अगर मैं आप लोगों को इधर अगर मैं आप लोगों को इधर ये बता दूं कि द वैल्यू ऑफ माई बी, राइट, द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, राइट, अगर मैं आप लोगों को ये बता दूं कि मेरे पास BC का वैल्यू है, I'm having the value of BC. I'm having the value of BC as 8 centimeter, and I'm having the value of I'm having the value of BE as 13 centimeter. तो मैं B को लेकर ही I can just take B and find out the area of my triangle, half into base into height. तो side B का base क्या है? BC. So this is half into BC और height हो जाएगा BE, right? हाइट अगर 3 दिया है तो 3 या तो एक ही हाइट तीनों के लिए हो जाएगा, राइट? हाफ इंटू बी सी इज 13 और 8 वैसे भी. ओके, यस. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 13 फोरजा, right? What is 13 fourza, people? What is 13 fourza, right? 26 52 centimeter. Yes or no? 52 centimeter. This is how you guys will find it out. एक और ट्रायंगल है जो मैं अभी बता के क्लास को रैप अप कर दूंगा, राइट? वन मोर ट्रायंगल इज देयर. ओके, आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दिस. कैसे ड्रॉ करूं मैं? एक मिनट रुको. राइट, आई गॉट दिस. ओके, यस. चलो, ओके, ये इधर चला गया क्या? इधर. Okay, it's better I do free hand drawing. or else I'll waste your time here. Okay, ये हमसे नहीं बनने वाला है तो हम फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग ही करेंगे. Okay, yes, so let us draw a triangle here. Okay, yes, हाँ अभी बन गया ठीक से, कोई issues नहीं. Okay, so if I draw the triangles here as A, B and C, and I am not having any perpendicular height or this, right? You can imagine your own perpendicular height, right? Imagine my own perpendicular height. So this is going to be a H. Okay, yes. So इसका opposite sides क्या रहेगा? What will be the opposite sides here, people? So this will be small c, this will be small b, and this is going to be small a. Yes or no? जब यहाँ h आ रहा है तो हम लोगों को ये भी पता रहेगा कि यहाँ एक theta होगा. Yes or no? So this will be the theta. In such cases, what will be the area of my triangle? In such cases, what will be the area of my triangle? The area of my triangle will be half into, right? Base तो पता है मुझे, yes or no? Base तो पता है, तो इधर base में क्या लग सकता हूँ, right? So in such cases, my area of the triangle will be half into AC into sin theta. तो इसको हम आगे से सीधा लिख लेंगे half AC sin theta, because the angle B is present, the theta is present here, इसलिए हम B को छोड़कर बाकी जो भी opposite sides है उसको हम ले लेंगे. Leaving of B, the opposite sides are A and C, so we are applying that and theta. So what is going to be the value of sin theta, sir? Sin theta का value कैसे निकालें? Sin theta का value है, it is L divided by K, right? Sin theta का value will be L divided by K, which is nothing but H bar C, and which is nothing but H bar C, the C which I am having here, right? Theta का opposite में C है, तो यहाँ मैं directly H का value भी निकाल सकता हूँ, right? H is going to be C sin theta. Right? H is going to be C sin theta. Yes, that is how you get the whole equation. अभी तुम लोगों की half AC sin theta B को छोड़कर भी, तो यहाँ directly निकाल भी दो तुम लोग, right? Directly also you guys can go with this. So let me just take the blue pen. Okay, yes. So half into base into height होगा ना बाबा, तो base तो मेरा A है. Yes. So my base is going to be A, and my H is going to be C sin theta. My H is going to be C sin theta. तो ये बन गया ना half AC sin theta. So this is nothing but half AC sin theta. तो मैं नीचे लिख देता हूँ, एक मिनट दे दो. Okay, H I am already having here, right? H I am already having here. So this is half, my base is A, this is H is C sin theta. तो ये बन जाएगा half AC sin theta. So this will be my half AC sin theta. This will become my half AC sin theta. Yes. So I'll wrap up the session now. It's already 3 minutes up, right? So tomorrow I will be continuing, right? Tomorrow we will be meeting at the same time. Tomorrow 11 p.m. and we'll be meeting at the same time. So I'll take the concepts, I'll take the remaining concepts of triangle, right? I'll take the remaining concepts of squares. I'll take the remaining concepts of rectangles, okay, in tomorrow's session, and I'll start with 3D mensuration, right? I'll start with 3D mensuration. So squares, rectangles, triangles, in another 10 minutes I'll finish it off, and in the other parts I'll be taking with 3D mensuration. So I'll start with cones. 3D mensuration में सिर्फ 3 ही है, right? You have cones, cylinders and spheres. You have cones, cylinders and spheres. So I'll meet you guys tomorrow at the same time. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Bye bye. Please do stay safe and do stay indoors.